everybody, Phenosi here, and today we're back with another video. Today we are gonna unbox the great and almighty Razer Thresher 7.1 gaming headset. So a little backstory, my headset broke just a few weeks ago, and I thought, oh, I'll get a new one. So I got this one, and as you know, one of my favorite colors is blue, and then I went looking for a headset, for a gaming headset, and I found a blue headset. It was also Razer, which I mean, like, I like Razer. Razer's pretty good, so I thought, why not get it? Also some plus sides to it. As you can see on the box, it has 7.1 surround sound, has a lag-free wireless thing. It has up to 16 hours on a single charge. Sounds really cool and stuff. And that's like every other Razer headset. It has a retractable boom mic, just pretty standard. It also has a quick control on the headset, which is nice. I never had quick control on the headset itself, so this might be like a really big difference for me. I don't know. That being said, let's get into the unboxing part. So I'm gonna need a knife to open this. That's spicy. That's spicy, my dude. That looks good. This is what the inside looks like right now. When you just open it. It looks like this. Very nice packaging. Not gonna lie. I always love how Razer packages their products. It's just nice. The headset is a bit big though. Compared to what I thought it would, how big it would be. I thought it wouldn't be this big. Jesus Christ. That's one big headset. So it's wireless. So we have, this is the USB. It's pretty cool. Small, not too big. It's good. I'm just gonna put that here. Now the headset itself. I'm gonna try and get this out as carefully as I can. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Like, look at that. That's amazing. I love the blue on this. I love the blue. It has these twistable ear cups. I didn't know they had that. But okay, that might be nice, like for comfortable, to be comfortable. Just gonna use this out. Oh, there's some. So now there you have the manual and you have the cable. These cables don't break as often as people say. I think that's not true. But yeah, that looks pretty cool. I'm gonna put that over here. So you got the manual here. Pretty standard. Probably not gonna read that. And then there's a little compartment here as well. It's probably for the yes, it's for this one. So if you would want to not use the wireless thing, which is made for, which headset is made for, if you don't want to use this one wireless, you can use cable, and I mean the cable's pretty good. Although I've heard that you have to put the headset really loud if you're using cable, otherwise you're not gonna get a loud enough sound. But I'm not really sure about that. So I'm just gonna put that here. I think that's it. I think that's all that's in the box. So I just so I just turned on the headphones and the lights on the side turned on, and it looks really cool. You have to see this, dude. So this is what it looks like with the lights on. The lights look really cool. I like that. Look at that. That is amazing. Looks so cool. That looks amazing. Okay. Looks pretty good. Okay, so I'm just gonna put it on for the first time. I mean, they're pretty big, so I'm not really sure. But it looks comfy. Let's see. Ooh, that feels good. That feels good. That's actually not bad. I like this. And so it's a really comfy headset, but it's kind of tight, to be honest. I have to be honest. It's kind of tight. But I think that's just some getting used to, since I've been using all these cheap ass headphones to replace since my old one broke. So this might just be me getting used to an actual good headphone for once. Pretty good so far, pretty comfy. So now let's test the sound. So I listen to a lot of different music genres and play a lot of different games. But I'm not really gonna start up a lot of games and just like check each game and see if it sounds good. So I thought it would be good to just try different music genres and see how it sounds. So let's do that. That's fucking... oh, sorry, excuse my language. That's good. This is like an airgasm. That's so fucking good, dude. Dude, I've been using like cheap ass headphones for like the last month or so, or 2 months. So I forgot what good headphones sound like. And besides that, this is something I've never heard before. This is good sound quality. God damn. Just sound quality only, it might be worth the money, dude. It's really good.
It's the fucking purge, get what you deserve. Fuck what you done heard. It's the purge, get what you deserve. About to raise some devils. It's the purge, get what you deserve. Fuck what you done heard. It's the purge, get what you deserve. About to raise some devils.
Then right back on it, made the beat snapped on it, try to imitate, better put a white flag on it. All I do is win and win, make Benjamins every single damn day, got more money than sin. First better.
It has a really crisp sound to it. The sound's just so like clear. It's so well done. And what a lot of Razer headsets have is they have this huge amount of bass, which kind of ruined the sound for me when it comes to Razer headsets. But this one doesn't, and that's really good. It has good bass, it has enough bass. It doesn't have too much bass. It has just enough. It's really well balanced. It's good. Okay, so for the last one, I'm just gonna I'm gonna listen to one of my favorite music genres, which is metal. If you don't like metal, you should probably skip this part. Just skip ahead like a minute. So, Ice Nine Kills just released a new album. So we're just gonna listen to that.
When the hands of fate fall on the midnight.
God damn. I just realized the best thing about these headphones, I can just walk around without having a cable. So I could just stand over here and be like, hey, how are you doing? And I could just be like, hey, how are you doing? I can move this thing around without worrying about a cable. I just thought of that. That's why I fucking bought it. It's one of the reasons I bought it. I just realized it. Okay, so I want to try the microphone on this one as well, so I'm gonna switch over to the microphone now. So we're on the microphone now. It sounds pretty good. It's doable for gaming, you know. It's not some studio microphone, but it's pretty decent. So I'm gonna go with it. It's a decent mic, and that's all it is. It has a decent microphone. The sound is really good. I love it. It's really comfy and really. Also cuts off all the sound around you, which is really good. It might be a bit big or a bit tight, but that might be a thing of getting used to. That being said, it's just a really good headset. I'm really happy for it, and I recommend you buy one. If you have the money for it, I recommend you buy one. By the way, not sponsored by Razer, sadly. So yeah, that being said, that's just the end of my unboxing / review of the Razer 7.1 gaming headset. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think about the headset. Are you gonna buy one? Would you like to have one? What you think about the video, etc. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share this video with all your friends, families, and waifus. And that being said, see you guys in the next one.